Hello and welcome to another limitedresources.us product demonstration video. Our shower pay box is an ideal solution for turning any shower into a pay coin operation. It is ideal for campgrounds and rental properties. The shower pay box comes with this stainless steel motorized valve with spring release. It runs off 24-volt DC current and presents no shock hazard. Coin shower adapters are used to connect the ball valve to existing pipes. Depending on plumbing, you can choose the appropriate adapters for your particular needs. The motorized valve with spring release is a great anti-tampering feature, which prevents people from trying to unplug the unit to get free showers by blocking the water when the unit is off or unplugged. Our shower pay box operates just like our other washer and dryer coin boxes, simply by setting the interval time to the desired length and then adding coins to increase the runtime according to those intervals, and then when the runtime stops, the valve closes and then the shower ends. Installation is, of course, do it yourself and is very easy. There are 3 options, and we will be discussing the shower head option right now. When installation of the water valve inside the wall is not possible, a great location is just behind the shower head, and this is a wonderful non-construction solution to installing your water valve. For more information on our shower pay box and other fine quality products, please visit us at www.limitedresources.us or follow the links given below. Thank you very much and have a great day.